time. You had me down on my knees and really had to talk beside.
What's this called? Thrift store.
Sam and Colby.
Sam and Colby. Look at those shoes. Those are creep.
They never have Jim Morrison though.
I wanna get lost in your rock and roll. Wow. Look at this gem.
Gorgeous.
That is
That's pretty cheap.
ooh, it's smooth.
That's like pretty cheap though.
It's giving Conjuring.
Let's go, man.
Okay.
Oh my god, that dog.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh. Ooh, I don't like this area.
Okay. That dog is fucking freaking me out.
What the? He has a beard. Look at that wedding dress. I want to try my hat. This one. Ooh, that's cute. I feel like I need a fancy dress.
I'm gonna be a mom with my big old purse.
Oh, this is cute. Do a little side. Okay. Do I have food in my teeth? Okay. Like for real. Okay. This is the one. Summer hat. Let's go. I look like a scarecrow. What are you doing? Oh heck yeah. Oh heck yeah. Just a small town girl. Built dad tough. Wait, I want that shirt. I don't. This is such a vibe. Like, look at this. Such a vibe.
That's it real good.
Dude, look at this weather. It's so peaceful. It's a winter wonderland.
It's fucking cold.
It is.
Dude, the snow is so soft.
No, for reals.
Dude, I've never played with active flame snow since I was like 4.
This is crazy. So aesthetic.
Wait.
Guys, we're making the 100-mile trek in the pouring snow.
Our parents said they walked to school.
I want to put it somewhere. Oh, it's a phone mount in the snow. This is awesome. Thumbnail.
Not your car getting stuck.
My car got stuck almost immediately. Oh my god, it's in my...
Is it 1 egg? It's 2. It's 2 eggs.
This is a hard-boiled egg. So, maybe these aren't? I totally love if my parents would tell me these things. Okay, it's a regular egg.
Do you remember watching The Goonies?
The Goonies? Mm-hmm. Yes.
watch that all the time.
Dude, I try to watch it with Jasmine because she said she never seen it. And she won't watch it with me.
Why?
She says it doesn't look interesting to her.
Bruh.
I know, and I'm like, that is a classic. It's the Goonies.
Okay. And then how much oil? 2/3 right there.
Andrew,
So be right there.
have you seen the Goonies? Have you seen the Goonies?
What?
Disappointment.
He said no? Wow. What a shame.
Disappointed in you.
This is taking too long. I could just take the thing off and then pour it, but 2 shots of vodka? Ow! My arm. Do we have an actual bottle? Cause that would
that
be
not a cup?
nice. I forgot I was recording. What's up, guys? Day and night.
Meow.
I toss and turn, I keep stressing.
And just like that. 2/3. That's a lot. That's a lot. And some water. 3 tablespoons of water. Let's do it. Let's do it, biatch. Okay, so this is 1/2 tablespoons, so we'll just do 6 of these. 1, 2, 3.
That's how many you need, right? 3. It was 3, right?
4.
How many was it?
Girl, it's only 3.
No.
Yes.
No, it's too much.
This is only 1/2 tablespoon.
Uh-oh. Look at my necklaces, bro. They're fucked.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You didn't put this in.
Well, why are you putting plastic in it?
Yummy.
Microplastics. I almost said microfibers. I love that I tried to crack that boiled egg. I love that for me. I want a popcorn.
Good evening.
Oh, I guess we should be reheating the oven. So we have to bake it for 20 to 23 minutes.
You probably shouldn't use that fork again. But I mixed it, so...
Thank you.
Oh.
Air.
My hair like to swing.
Sleep.
Andrew, when are you going to sleep?
I want to eat this so bad.
I know.
Just the whole
It
bowl.
was delicious.
I didn't even taste it yet, and I said, Nothing can get better than that. Nothing. Honestly.
Maybe the cat going around. It's addicting. Ayo!
She looks so mad.
Pee-wee!
How long does this cook for?
20 to 23 minutes.
This is the best part about baking.
Fire. Straight fire.
Let's just eat this. I just ate so much brownie batter.
Alright, I'm just gonna put this in already.
How long does it go in for? 20?
I just said. 20 to 23 minutes.
Okay.
We're at the lake, y'all. We are at the freaking lake, y'all. Y'all, get this, we're at the lake. It's so, like, dead and dry and sad. But we're vibing. That's all that matters. It went under there? Oh my god! Ew, at least you can tell if there's spiders. Dude, I'm gonna throw up. We just started getting hailed on! Ow! Someone said no. It hurt. God, the fucking For real. You might need to get hella flighted out. My glasses are about to fall off my head. Me win. Me win. Why do I look like that? It started hailing again, but every time I record, it stops.
It got freezing and now it's like getting warm again. What are you doing? You're ruining the vlog.
Why? Life. Right. Right.